Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Medibil Pro. I hope you guys will be fine and doing great and enjoying your good lives. Okay, so today we are going to start our next lecture. So in this lecture, I am going to let you know guys about the certifications. So if you are interested in doing medical billing certification, basically in certified professional biller, and you can just get that training from an institute. I will surely let you know guys what is an institute. Okay, so you guys can just enroll yourself, register yourself. Okay, so this course is going to be 1.5 months, okay, only. So you will learn how you guys can just start your professional career in medical billing. You will see that how you guys can be a certified professional biller. Okay, the registration fees is only 5,000 rupees. Okay, so I am going to share my screen with you guys. Okay, so you will see that how you guys can register online. Okay, and what are the different specifications, okay, and other kind of qualities you can get into that one. So you guys can register now. Okay, so this is a good opportunity for the guys who are very new to this medical billing field and they want to learn how medical billing goes. Okay, they are also offering jobs after the training program, so you guys can get the jobs after the training program. Okay, so if you're interested in doing medical billing and you want to be a certified professional biller, you want to make this as a professional career, then you guys can register today. Okay, so I'm just going to share my screen with you guys and you can just hop onto that one and you can just apply and register online. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so as you guys can see my screen now, okay, so this is a PMTAC medical billing company and they are offering different jobs in USA, Pakistan, Philippines. So they are offering different kind of services in business process outsourcing, professional training programs, software development. Okay, so we are just going to see what are the professional training programs. Okay, because we are just want to do training in medical billing. Okay, so the first one is going to be certified professional biller CPB training program. Okay, are you one of many looking to give your career a kickstart in the US healthcare industry? Do you want to get the expertise and skills needed to succeed as a certified professional biller? PMTAC CPB training program is your answer to excel in rapidly paced healthcare industry and earn a competitive place. Okay, so they are basically offering this program. Okay, so this program is going to be 1.5 month. Okay, and they are just only charging 5,000 rupees. Okay, so what they offer: internship, course leading to a job, IELTS training as well. Okay, what you will learn: healthcare essentials, job assistance is 90%, and professional expertise are 99%. Okay, so healthcare essentials, coding fundamentals, dive into the world of medical coding with an introduction to CPD coding, ICD-10 CM coding, and HCPCS level 2 coding. Okay, claims, understand the intricacies of claims forms such as CMS 1500 and UB04, grasp the concepts of accounts receivable and collections, and delve into the specifics of insurance models like Blue Cross Blue Shield and workers' compensation. Okay, so training for a medical billing professional role accelerates career growth. Okay, into the healthcare industry, develop essential job markets, low cost certifications compared to others, high demand profession, ensure job security. Okay, so this company is basically going to provide you a platform, okay, where you guys can just get the training. Okay, so this training is just going to be 1.5 months. You will just see these kind of things like how you guys are going to submit the claims, how you guys can just hands-on different kind of softwares, okay, which they are using. So I'm just going to let you know guys now how you guys can just apply or register on this one. Okay, so you just need to go into the home tab. Okay, so while doing this kind of a thing, we just need to scroll down. Okay, so here we go. So this is the PMTech professional training program. He's excited to announce the certified professional biller training program in Rawalpindi. Okay, so this is in Rawalpindi, accredited by the renowned American Academy of Professional Coders, AAPC. The CPB medical billing credential is vital to the financial success of professional healthcare services. Excel in US healthcare industry with PMTAC certified professional biller program that serves you a gateway to successful career in highly competitive and high paying healthcare industry. CPB certification is a gateway to earn competitive edge in today's job market and can boost your career. Okay, so this course duration is just 1.5 month. Registration fees is only 5,000 rupees. So we will just hit the that button. Okay, so you guys need to add your full name, father's name, date of birth, phone number, email address, and postal address. Okay. Okay, so after adding these kind of instructions or these kind of information, you will be just directed to and next step, so that is going to be the college, university, your degree and year of completion and your grades in CGPA. Okay, so what you got, just where you just studied and where you just got, which kind of a degree you just got, and what was the year of completion. Okay, so you just add to need these kind of a things into this section. Okay, after doing that kind of a thing, so you will be directly to the next step, so that is the company name, recent job. If you are doing any kind of a job, or if you are have done any kind of a job previously, then you can add that kind of a thing over here, company name, designation. Okay, so you just need to add the company name, designation. Okay, so you guys can add these kind of a situations, these kind of a information over here, and basically you guys need to do, you want to pursue your career in medical billing industry, you can hit this one. Okay, you want to join PMTAC after this course? Yes, you should join this course, because once you are just having a study, you can just go abroad, or you can just move to different other kind of a cities to get the education or higher education. So why not for this kind of a thing? Okay, ये कोर्स ये है कि आपकी ज़िंदगी के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा अहम हो सकता है. So if you want to do मेडिकल बिलिंग एंड यू वांट टू लर्न मेडिकल बिलिंग स्किल्स, तो 1.5 महीने की बात है, आप लोग रावलपिंडी चले जाएं, वहाँ पर ये इंस्टीट्यूट है, वहाँ पर आप लोग इजीली मीन्स ये कि अपनी 1.5 महीने की जो क्या कहते हैं ट्रेनिंग है, सो इसको कंप्लीट कर सकते हो. एंड दे आर ऑल्सो ऑफरिंग जॉब्स आफ्टर द ट्रेनिंग एज वेल. ओके, सो इफ you will work hard, then you will surely get the job, inshallah. Okay, so in this way you can apply to this one. Okay, so if there is any trouble while applying to this one, then you guys can let me know. Okay, so their number is also available, 0518772676. You guys can also call them and can just get registered at physically at their institute as well. Okay, so अगर आप यहाँ पर registration नहीं करवाना चाहते या आप physically जाकर करवाना चाहते हैं, तो आप वहाँ पर भी जाकर easily वहाँ पर यह है कि पर्सनल डिटेल्स भी ले सकते हैं. मीन्स ये कि मोस्टली डिटेल्स कि यहाँ भी किस तरीके से होते हैं, ये सारी इसके अलावा और भी मीन्स ये कि इन्फॉर्मेशन आप वहाँ पर इजीली ले सकते हो. ओके, और मीन्स ये कि यू गाइस कैन लेट मी नो इफ यू हैव एनी काइंड ऑफ अ प्रॉब्लम while applying to this one or you while registering on this one. Okay, so best of luck to all of you. Okay, so thank you so much for your attention. So if you guys have any kind of a questions or concerns regarding this registration or any kind of a thing regarding medical billing, then you guys can reach out to me on my WhatsApp number. Okay, you guys can email me as well, and you guys can also comment on this video. Okay, so inshallah we'll meet in the next lecture with different kind of a stuff in medical billing. So till then, take care of yourself and of your family, and don't forget to remember me in your kind prayers. Take care. Allah Hafiz.